Crawford here. Happy Monday. Just wanted to do a quick video and show you guys the new capture page for Press One Cash. I'm so excited. Ran some traffic, got a great response, got a ton of opt-ins for this page. And with the mycapturepage.com, the system actually come with preloaded messages here. So it actually have an autoresponder already built in. Let me just go to show you really quickly here. Let's see. Here we go. Press One Cash, 20 messages. So I, of course, ran a test to myself. So 20 preloaded messages already in the system. The capture page is doing very well. I have like over 60 opt-ins when I ran traffic. And the system now is just basically following up with them. So again, guys, if you're looking to get in Press One Cash, now that they actually have in mycapturepage.com, they actually have the marketing system specifically for Press One Cash is going to be crazy. Like I said, I ran some traffic. I'll let you know my traffic source once you jump on the team and get your page set up here and start running traffic. Like I said, it comes with 20 preloaded messages already ready to go. So it really now sets the Press One Cash system up on complete autopilot, guys. Again, system spitting out $200 payments. Again, I'm excited here. I'll take you, let me go to my account so I can show you my opt-ins here. Here, as you can see, getting a ton of leads that have come in between over the last couple of days, over 60 something leads that have come in over the last 3 to 4 days. So all these people now are being followed up with the autoresponder that's already built into the system. Again, this is the actual capture page here. And I'm telling you guys, Press One Cash, now that they have an actual page for it, I know it's going to go viral, guys. So get with me, get your system set up. I'll show you how to get everything set up for your Press Cash One system, get you added to the training group. But I definitely wanted to share the new marketing system for Press One Cash. It's hot. Like I said, it comes with 20 preloaded messages already built into the system. So you don't even need to get an autoresponder once you get this. Once you get the system, everything's already set for you and ready to go, guys. So I will see you on the next video. You can message me, get with me in the Facebook group. You can go in and get started, Press One Cash system, and start collecting those $200 payments on complete autopilot. This is the system again, guys. Take care.